All right, getting under the undercarriage. This is the 1987 Buick Grand National. Show you a few things here. It's got your transmission cooler. It's got your upgraded turbo. It also does have your upgraded intercooler here. That definitely helps for better air. This has got 45,000 miles on it. This does have a rebuilt, basically a built transmission. This is a huge deep oil pan, so it's got your coolers here. It does 2 more quarts along with your trans fluid cooler. It also is going to keep that thing cool so your oil's not overheating if you are trying to go fast in it. Look at these pans. They're in just such good shape. This is, again, 45,000 miles, and it is in really good shape. MagnaFlow exhaust, and look at that. You got your original stickers there. That's just how well and preserved this one is. It is ready to go.
Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1987 Buick Grand National. It's black, it's in great shape. The paint, it shines bright. The seats are in great shape, carpet's in great shape. It's got 45,000 miles on the clock. The engine, it has an upgraded radiator, it's got an upgraded intercooler, and it's got a bigger turbo. It's all been tuned and set up. This thing is ready to go. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. This is your 1987 Buick Grand National, and the exterior you can see is in just really good shape. It shows really well. You know, there's a few things that you can see. It's really hard to see them, but there's a little bit of checking that you have there. But the nice Arizona and California sun has not melted it down. 45,000 miles, you can tell it's in really good shape. With that, it's got nice depth. And of course, there are a few little issues. There's one right here you can kind of see just a little bit. But rims and tires, you can see those are in really good shape. Those tires are new. Paint shows really well. Again, all 4 corners have new tires. Bumper fillers, those have all been replaced. Does have some nice upgrades into the engine, and we'll get into that here in just a minute. But yeah, everything looks really good with this one. Let's hop in this engine and show you what they've done. So this one does have your bigger turbo. Your intercooler has been upgraded as well. Got all kinds of internal work that's been done. Transmission's been gone through and upgraded, beef built just the way that you want it. Does have AC, all the good stuff with it. This thing's in really good shape. You can just tell all the way around. It also does have your upgraded 4-core radiator, and that paint just shows so well. And then getting in here to the interior, the door panels all in good shape. This interior is actually in really good shape too. You see all in through the back. Seats really good. One little thing there. Steering wheel, it's tilt.
Got your scan master, boost, knock sensor, oil pressure, trans temperature. Everything's kind of normal here, factory wise. And then you can see that dash is in really good shape too. No issues with that. And then let's take a look at the trunk. Fitment is really nice too. Getting in here to the trunk and looking in here, you can see this is all nice and in good shape. Got the original spare tire, all the metals there. It's not rotted out, anything like that. RPO codes, you can see it's an actual Grand National. But yeah, I mean, look, this thing is in really good shape. Just not your regular run-of-the-mill, non-taken care of. And of course, those bumper fillers in the front and the back have been replaced. And if they have not been in any of these Grand Nationals, they just basically, it's time for them. That's for sure. We're going over here to the passenger side. All in good shape. Of course, again, dash is in really good shape. Got new floor mats, but that carpet is in great shape. Seats are in great shape, no rips, no tears. See, back seat just as good. And that fitment just the way that you want it. Windows are tinted. Power windows work on that side. Let's go to this side. And that window works as well. All right, let's get in the test drive. All right, let's get in this test drive, guys. Click it or ticket. All right. So let's, wipers work. Horn works. We got the AC. Let's make sure this is blowing cold. I know if the lights all the way around do work. Oh yeah, it's getting cold. Yeah, it's actually nice and cold. Turn it down just a little bit. Stereo works. Everything in here is actually really nice. It shows really well. You know, sometimes I see them, some people brought them in, tried to sell, and they're just not high enough quality for something that I would sell. So, you know, we turn it down. This one is just one of those ones that is really nice. And of course, you know, the ones that I bring in, I just try to have of a higher quality. They are priced higher maybe comparably to some others in the market, but when you get down and actually see the other ones in the market, they're just not as good. They're just not as clean. They, you know, a lot of times have a lot of other things kind of going on with them. And yeah, I just make sure that they have everything done the exact right way. Let's get that one on. Oh yeah, you can hear that. That definitely, that picks up, that moves. That definitely moves a lot faster. Yeah, that's showing, yeah, turbo boost. Looks like it's, you know, roughly about 12 to 15. Let's see, it's under 15, but it's definitely right there above 10, and that not a whole lot of throttle. So let's see what it moves to. Yeah, so about 11. Looks like it's about 10 to 11, probably 12 on the PSI, and you can hear it. And that's not maxed out at all. That's not even close. Yeah, this thing, I guarantee, moves. But you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it in the video. Oh yeah, that's quick. That's definitely quick. They did this one right. That is for sure. Yeah, that moves. Second gear scratch, it's got it all. We have all the high definition photos. We have online financing and transport directly to your driveway. ClassicCarAddict.com. Just like always, like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. Thanks for watching.
Turn it on. We about to turn it on.